back to my channel. In this video I will show you some important PowerToys features which will help you to boost your productivity. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going in search bar, type PowerToys and open it. Here you will see all the PowerToys features. Now the first is color picker. We will type color picker, then we turn it on. Now you can press Window Shift plus C to see. There is a color picker on the screen with your cursor. You can your cursor will go anywhere which color the color picker will be. Pick the color and tell you which color. For example, this. Next is power rename. For this we are going to File Explorer, go to Files. We are select multiple files with the help of Control. Right click. Now here you will see rename with power rename. Click on there. We will see all the files there. You can change the file names. For example, 5. Example, we will change how to access developer option. We will replace with video playback, then apply. Next is awake. Here click on awake, turn it on. It will help to perfect for long tasks without worrying about sleep mode. You will select according to your mode. Next is here click on home button. Here you will see open editor. When we click on it, here you will see create workspace. With the help of this, we can open these all apps with one click. Need to create workspace first. Click on create workspace. Here you will see edit your layout and click capture. When we click on capture, the all apps will be here. You will see all the apps will be 7 apps. When we click on launch, this all will be open in one click. Next is screen ruler. With the help of this, we can check. To enable this, click window control shift and M. You will see which type of ruler you want. For example, this you can select, see how much this area. Next is extractor. With the help of text extractor, you can extract text from any video, any image. To enable this, you can simply press Windows Shift plus T. You can extract any of the text, it will be shown. Windows Shift T. And that's it. If you and that's it. These are the PowerToys features that can make your Windows 11 experience smarter and more productive. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos tips. Thanks for watching.